Yeah, it's your man's MC Goody. Yo, representing out of that Rip It Up Entertainment, baby. Bedroom Productions, you know what I mean? Keep it on the real, you know? We'll do this one for the ladies that's down to just keep it on some better say tip, you know what I mean? Keep it up with some friendships and do what we do, you know? Just keep it on the real, Yeah, I like the way you do what you do. And if I can't make you move around the room, my bed is the floor mat. Let's get this right here. Let's do a little dirty kind of dance. No kind of romance and anything that's just coming with some lust. And if we both bust, I like to make you come about 3 or 4 times, just like the way I hit these kind of lines. And when I reminisce about them times that's coming in my mind, and when I think about it, when I images up in my eyes, you know what it is, baby. If I had the enterprise, it's just the pornographic memories that I'ma have to hit it like I'm just in a different kind of century. Come and chill with me like I'm back in my Buick. You can move through it, and if I had to do it, I'ma have to do it like I'm in my 4Runner. And I'ma have to do it till the sun up, cause you know what's up, baby, when you're coming done up. We could take flights around this world, but nowadays this right here in the twirl. Baby, I just might have messed up because you got me so drunk in love. But wait a minute, I'm not Beyonce. If I had to pronounce these correctly, if I had to hit it, baby, I'ma hit it right. And you know what's up when I be having your appetite. Let me open up them bottom lips, let me get it all like this. It's just so crisp, just looking like a savage. And I'ma hit you up like a savage, a rabbit, hitting this up like a bad habit. I got nothing but drugs and nothing but thugs, chilling up in these kinds of clubs. But I don't really go out no more ever since I've been on probation. So I got the final score to come back up in this room and make your pussy lips come and pour. Yeah, y'all know. You know what I mean? A little bit of a freestyle for y'all, you know? Keep it on the trill. I love having sex, and sex is what I love to have. I'm an nymphomaniac. I don't really give a fuck, you know what I mean? So keep it on the trill like that, baby. Let's go.